It's going to be big. It's going to be huge. 7 inches.
Live from the Plummer Estate. It is the snowstorm of the year. We are waiting right here live for the first snowfall. Yes, sirree. I am excited. And I'm going to stand out here and wait for that first snowflake. But while we're waiting, we're going to interview my favorite snowblower. Snowblower. Are you excited? Well, I'm excited. This is gonna be amazing. Amazing. All right. Awesome. Got the boots on. I am ready. Wait, did you see that? Me neither. All right. Ago, after we cut our live footage from the front of the Plummer Estate, I thought I saw a snowflake fall into the backyard. We went to go investigate, but could not find it. Yes, sir, this is gonna be the biggest snow this year, and I'm going to wait outside until it happens.